What is the ratio of total pension contributions per year for a new senior manager in 2010 compared to the total contributions per year after being with the company for 10 years? So, let's first calculate the pension contributions for a new senior manager in 2010. We're told that if they're new, they initially pay 1% of their gross income, and the employer contributes a flat rate of 3%. So, we first find the gross income for a senior manager. In 2010, that's $34,000. We're going to multiply that by 1% for the gross income, and then there's a contribution by the employer of 3%. So 0.01 for 1% and 0.03 for 3%. That means the total pension contributions for that person are £1,360. Next, let's do the same calculation but for someone that's been with the company for 10 years. If they've been with the company for 10 years, then this one here that rises by 0.5 every 3 years has risen 3 times. So the first time it's 1%, then 1.5, then 2, then 2.5. So initially they're going to have a 2.5% increase. So that's 0.025. The employer contribution will be the same, 0.03. And then 10 years later, because this is 10 years later here, that senior manager is getting paid $26,000. So 26,000 multiplied by those percentages is 1,430. The final step, we need to form a ratio. So the senior manager in 2010 compared to that in 2020 is £1,360 in pension contributions compared to 1,430. To simplify the ratio, we'll divide by the lowest number. 1,360 divided by itself is 1, and 1,430 divided by this is 1.05. The answer is this one, the third answer.